How to favorite games on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, scroll through and tap on the game that you want to add to favorites. For instance, I will tap on Grow a Garden option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the favorite option right below the game's name. Tap on the favorite option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the game has been added to my favorites. You can also tap on your profile icon on top of your screen and scroll down to the favorites tab, and you will be able to see all the games that you have added to favorites. So this is how you can favorite games on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.